YouTube, it's your boy Fishing Ken, man. I got a little surprise for y'all today. I'm not in my boat, but what I did is got an invite from a good buddy of mine, my buddy Dane.
What's going on, guys?
Hey, man, and this about to go down, man. He got me back here in the wilderness somewhere. I don't know where I'm at, but I got my pocket knife just in case something jump out at us. But I'll tell you what's about to go down. We're geared up with these ACC crappie sticks. We got brush gliders. We got Billy Morgans. We got stump thumpers. I'm talking about, we got an arsenal of baits, man. It's about to go down, y'all. Hey, I want y'all to stay tuned. You see what's happening. Buoys out. You know what that means. Hey, we're gonna try to put some hooks in some mouths, man.
Lay some lead. Let's go.
Lay some lead.
Lay some lead.
Look, I want y'all to sit back and relax. We got the hard stuff. All we need y'all to do is enjoy the ride, man. It's your boy Fishing Ken. Again, I'm out here with my good buddy Dane. Let me show you what we're talking about. Y'all see why?
Lay down sticking off the bank right there.
Yes, sir.
Look at that.
Oh my God. Nah, bro. Hey, man, if you were guessing, the HDS-12 will show it to you also, man. If y'all would pray for me, man, because I know this guy can fish, man. He probably even talk a little bit of crap, so I need y'all to pray for me and make sure I don't get my butt whooped, man. But we finna do what we do, man. I'm looking for these donkeys too. Don't get that twisted. Let's go. Okay. They're grabbing it. They're not hitting it. It's just a grab. Yeah, keep playing with me. I'm gonna put a hook in you, buddy.
Yeah, I heard it. The wind.
Yeah.
That's a good one, man.
Oh, yeah.
That'll work.
Get in there.
You wanted that smoke, you got the smoke.
You wanted action. I gave it to you.
They heard you talking. Oh, all right. You just grabbing it, huh?
We just grabbing?
Show you something.
Well, he was grabbing it, and then I dropped it into the dirt, popped it, and brought it and picked it up. And he got dang. He didn't like that. Come on.
That's a better one there.
Better fish?
Yep.
Top jig.
On that top jig.
That's a 10. Walked it and he came and
like
got
that.
you. He didn't like that walking.
You ain't getting away.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
That's the one you want. That's the one you want. He didn't like that walking.
No, he didn't really.
Won't you come across the street?
I'm walking on.
Jaywalking.
Got me a citation.
Yeah, man. Oh, Arlington. And what you had to do was put it right in front of him and do this. And as soon as that thing settled again, wham! Like, God, tough. Oh, we tried to look. It might have actually worked.
It seemed like it did.
Come on out of there.
Yeah, there we go.
Come on, keeper.
Oh, big mouth Billy Crappie right there.
Yeah. That's close to a hee-haw. We're getting closer to that hee-haw, y'all. Stay tuned. Don't blink. Uh-oh.
No,
That's old yellow belly.
baby sandbag.
Oh, that's a sandy.
Yeah, we ain't got.
Everybody got.
We ain't got them little annoying boy like it's walking. You know. You get
Oh man.
thing will wear you out. We don't have none of them.
Ooh, was that him? Right on the drop. Come here, boy. Pick your head up. Should keep. You should keep. Pick your head up when you're talking to me.
Get that top one too.
What's that in his mouth?
maybe some junk.
Some let me go. Make sure. I'm all about to make sure. Oh yeah. That's another go fish. Another go fish, guys.
Way out.
Oh, it's been wore out. That's all that is. It don't take but a couple people. There you go. Keep fish.
Silver shad.
Keep fish. That's what you want to see right there, buddy.
Yeah.
Come on. Work with him, Dane. Oh, yeah. They're down there. Foul ball. That's a keeper. Pick your head up.
Little bendo.
Pick your head up. Told you, when you talk to me, be respectful. Timber rattler. Lane. Gonna get my wrist knocked off.
No.
I tell you what, coming off of the double stick, your tree.
Yep.
Walking down this ledge. That's a nice, what, 3 or 4 fish we've caught. That's another keeper. That's 10 for sure now.
Keeper?
No. Well, yeah. Yes, sir. Box fish. Got it. I got my drag set loose, by the way. Oh, yeah.
That's a good fish, though.
Yeah, that's a nice black.
Yeah, that's a really good one.
Nice one. Hey, man. Sorry, guys. I know I don't sound real excited right now. It's not that the excitement isn't there. It's a creek that we're trying not to just raise too much concern while in here, but that is a pretty black right there. Beautiful black. Y'all know what's up. Yeah, I'm trying not to just let the world know. Come on. Yeah, it's a nice crappie too. He said he was at 5 feet.
I was like, let me just walk the car, walk down and get it flash in front of him versus maybe being underneath him.
Right. Got what you wanted. Is he in that funky spot?
Right under the eye,
But you keep fighting it if you want to.
You know where they right on the eye cavity in the bone of their head.
Just like that. Count it. Come on, Dane. That's another nice one, ain't it?
Yes, sir.
Pick your head up. Yes, sir. How deep was that one?
Right off the bottom.
Okay. Well, let me get my nuggets on back down now. I was trying to catch them fish up top. Got it? Come on, then.
Double up, double triple.
Sorry, sucker. See, that's how I was. It was a fish, but I got, wow, another nice one.
I said, that's a piece of brush.
Yeah, you home. You home.
Good trouble.
Come on up here.
There you go.
About time. I think he might go.
I think so too.
Come on now.
Check him. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. That's a home fish. That's 2 more for the pot, right?
Yep. Drifted off.
All right, we're at 19. 6 to go.
Yeah, I swear I thought I was going over a little bit.
Man. See, that's how my bite was that last one.
Yeah.
And then when I went to fighting him, he come out.
I'm like, wait, he's moving. That tree is moving.
Yeah. Look at
This
that.
tree right here is swimming.
Ooh.
Oh, look at
there.
that.
There go your first double up. The double up. Let me see that, dang. 3 for.
It's technically a triple now.
That one will keep.
One of these will.
Mine will.
Either one of these. This bottom one definitely won't.
Yeah. Uh-oh, hold on. This one will,
So
though.
tight.
That one will go. That's a 10. Yeah.
I don't think this one is, though. Might be one of the ones you got to step on.
Mm-hmm. No, he go.
Oh, yeah, he go.
Too long. You see him wiggling? 21. 22. That's a good fish. Ah, you sorry, sucker.
Mohawk, it look like.
No, he ain't hawking.
Put that down there, boy.
Oh, stop. I'm about to let you go if you act right. If not, I'm going to throw you in the woods. Let the hogs have you. Come on.
Oh, yeah. That's cool.
Oh, yeah, that's the one you want. Big Black. Robin Big.
Right? Man, I missed that dude. R.I.P.
Man, right? A little low.
No.
Turned it back on. Yeah, that was a nice black, man. Oh. That's a good fish. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
There comes Mr. Ski Boat, too. All right, guys. We're getting a little bit better at it. Come on. I'm going to hold this right here while Dane brings this one in. Handle that fish. Hey, Dane, what, if you don't mind, what kind of rod is that you're using?
The ACC Magic Stick.
Magic Stick.
Hold on one second. I'll show
Yeah, if you don't mind, I'd just like to get a... Oh, is that those wind grips?
Yes, sir.
And the split grips?
Yes, sir.
And slabs?
This ain't really a slab. This is like a slab and trainer.
That's a sandwich.
That's true.
Okay.
Little crappie nugget.
Little crappie nugget.
Maybe just double.
Nah, I guarantee you, I'm calibrated now. That's a 10.
Calibrated?
I'm calibrated now.
Locked in, huh?
I'm telling you. 10 and a half. Almost 11 inch fish.
So, you know, I've been hunting in the hook pattern, so,
Yeah.
you know, I get a little...
Well, I tell you what, 2 to 25.
I'm looking for them big booty crappie.
B, C. Let's go, baby. Hey, man, wait a minute. Now, what are you doing here? Well, dang, you ought to be ashamed of yourself catching these crappie like that. Top jig, bottom jig, just have at it.
I might put 3 jigs on this.
Sabiki. You might get you a sabiki going.
Give me a little 3-piece combo.
Oh, no, Ken. Oh, yeah, here go. That's a 11 and a half there.
These boys turned on.
Oh, god dang. Yeah. Come on.
Turn them on. Turn them on.
Turn. Party time. Oh.
This is like way past free before 11 at the club.
Up and down. This the after hour spot. Sorry guys, I had to reset.
Leave it rolling.
Look, I had to. Nah, I can't. Look at that. That ACC 7.5, man. Pick that fish up like he ain't even on there. Like an 1/8 ounce jig.
That's what we do.
Hey guys, it's not a joke. It's not a game. We're literally bringing the pain. That was 25 right there.
All right. We hit our number. We keep as many as you want, though.
Hey, if it's 50 to get, I'm out here in Louisville. The gas is burnt. If you gonna fish, I'm gonna fish.
We have 10 back here. We found 10 right here.
Yeah, next to stump. But I told you it's a game of run. Look at that. Game of runs. Take a puff of your Magic Dragon. And
Right, imagine right here.
Look at that, that ain't even on the bottom no more.
Well, look what I did. I tied them jigs a little further apart.
Yeah, I see, that's what I'm saying.
Further apart just to try to cover that
Column. And they're there. That's a 10.
10 and you in.
10 go in. It's 10 to get in. That's 26. Yeah. He got heavy. Top jig. Top jig. Get. There he is. He come right back. Oh yeah. Play that fish. Look at there. Look up there. Look at there, guys. Oh yeah. That crappie got a tattoo. Come on, Dane. Deal. Okay, we're sitting at 28. Well, that don't make no sense. That's a 10. Pretty black.
Long time they get nicer in the spring.
Pretty black. 29 and feeling fine? Oh, you 29 and feeling fine?
I'm ready for 30 and feeling dirty.
Don't talk like that. Don't
this
talk.
Is a G-rated show right here.
Hey.
Oh, there we go. That's 30-30 right there.
That's a 30-30.
We're about to have a 30 for 30 special.
You ain't lying. And we ain't talking about ESPN. That's 30. Oh! You gonna let him hit me like that, man?
Oh, man. Throw in the towel.
You know, when somebody punch your homeboy, you supposed to help him.
He knocked the change out your pocket.
Yeah, man, he knocked the dust out of my ear.
What you gonna call Steve, huh?
God, dog. There must have been 2 or 3 of them down there hitting on me like that. Sheesh. I might need to check my G. Come on, dude. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Got a little heavy, yes, sir.
Stick 'em Dane is what I'm finna call you. We got 'em circling us now.
Right.
That's a keeper.
They circling the wagon.
They're circling the wagon. Let's say we surrounded on all sides.
I mean, have you shot out the hootie hoo? Because I ain't did no hootie hoo.
Yeah, nah, I ain't gave you no hootie hoo yet.
And they must have heard it.
Oh yeah, I told you. I'm calibrated now, buddy.
Man, I'm gonna leave this open.
You might as well.
We can
Keep you from doing all that walking.
They're gonna call me Crappie Fishing So just finger roll them in the box.
From the 3.
In the deal.
God, dog, right on time.
Right when I heard it.
Come on. Oh. Pick your head up. Pick your head up. Come on. Come on, Deuce. Pick your head up. Oh, yeah.
2-piece.
2-piece. No biscuits. What you got there, Dane? Yes, sir.
Yeah, twin brother.
Yes, sir. Somewhere.
30?
Not over 30.
That's 16.
That's 32.
That's 17 in this spot.
Yeah, that's 32. I think we're at 33 now. That's heavy. Get out of that trolling. Get out of that trolling motor. You big old ugly. You big ugly. Get out of that trolling motor.
We're gonna call it the babysitter.
That's what I was looking for. Mom and them came back from they date night.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, I'm just gonna hold it right. Dang, you messing up my double, man.
Bad, man.
Messing up my double shot.
Some funny stuff happens when you got 2.
Now you can set the hook down.
There you go.
On cue.
On cue.
Let's go. Pick his head up. That's a keeper. Dang, did I pull her? No, I didn't. That's your keeper.
34.
Yep, I'm at 34. Oh man, look, you talking about Curry.
Looking like LeBron shooting free throws.
Say, watch out, man. That's my partner. Hey, just for that. Oh, stickfish. Stickfish.
Yeah, that's right.
Dang, he circled back and he hit it right back to you. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Yeah, I want to say, man, come right here and let you look up. $250.
$250. I got you covered, boss.
I can give you a little discount.
That's ridiculous, bro. I wouldn't do nobody like that. Pick your head. Oh man, look at here.
It happens all the time.
Pick your head up. Pick your head up.
That's what I'm talking about. About a pound and a half right there.
That's a hee-haw.
Donkey time.
It's donkey time. We're gonna call that a donkey.
That's a donkey, sir.
That's the one I've been looking for, guys.
All day.
Look at her. Oh yeah, that's 13, 14 easy. Easy.
I got a scale. You want to weigh them?
Nah, I got one too. It's too much happenings going on right now. Well,
you said where I'm at. You didn't say.
I told you to wait on.
Might be another hee-haw.
No,
Oh,
you got another double.
hee-haw.
Come on. Hey man, I want one of them doubles. Let me get one of them doubles.
That's one.
That's uno.
Dose. It's a certain set of skills I acquired over the years.
Over the years.
Like Liam Neeson. You know?
Yeah, I hear you. Taking.
Like taking, but like for the crappie.
They taking. Oh, that was him.
He there.
Where am I at? Okay. Slow down. Camera. Oh, come on, man. On cue. Is it a honky tonk? Tell him pick his head up.
Pick your head up.
Pick your head up. There you go.
We got a date with the
Crisco sisters.
We got a fan club, y'all.
Yes, sir.
They don't fire it up. Crappie, the word is out.
It's out. Hey man, I told you wait now. Let me get down there, give me one. I got too many things going at once.
Alright.
Okay. Now you can catch your fish.
Oh, you saw that?
Yes, I saw you. Yeah, he did.
Oh, baby, he'll pull my skirt down.
That's okay. I got your back.
You have my back?
I got your back. He can't do you like that.
Thank you.
Well, ain't gonna let.
Ain't gonna be punking me.
Ain't gonna be no jumping going on. We're fishing Ken around. Come on. Let's say ain't nobody. Get your head up. Get your head up.
Let's go.
Tupac said you got to keep your head up. It's another one for the marker. I tell you what, you know what made this so good? The fish were actually on structure. I know we've been catching fish on the bottom, but that one stump is what held those fish here, and we were able to just drop right down beside them, all around this stump. I mean, it was fish all around this stump.
The thing you gotta know about this strait, this is like a strait that they move and feed on. So like you get these spots like this, where it's like a pit stop, like a bus stop, and you can sit here, and you know you may not look loaded, but you catch a turn.
Right. God dang it. Don't tell me anything else, Susie. I don't want to freaking hear it, or we're going home. That's a 10.
Those guys have $10.
Hey, I went a click up, hit the bottom, and I turned it up one full turn. Oh yeah.
He hit the top good too, didn't he?
I don't even remember, bro.
Copper, the one with the hole. Yeah, that's
yeah.
Yeah.
See what happened? You see this part? You see this streak right here?
Yeah.
I said, well, if they're not on the bottom anymore, that's probably them up top. Let's see if I know what I'm talking about.
There's my dude.
Good.
You know.
He know. All right, guys. Sorry about that. They ain't went nowhere but up. They came up off that bottom. Came right up off that bottom. That might be another 10. I ain't gonna do it. Yeah, well, we equal opportunity, right?
Yeah, we don't discriminate.
Okay, well, it's a numbers game.
I've been out here playing.
Hopscotch with the brush piles. He had enough. Oh, what that is?
Got him?
He's in the tree. I'm gonna let him have it, see what happens. He's still on there. Dog, that was a big fish. Oh, I mean, trolling motor. I don't know how. I don't know how that happened for real. I wasn't even close to you. Actually, wait. I'm in the tree. Okay, he just had me. Let's see. I still got the fish.
Huh?
I got it.
You still on there?
Come on, man. I'm fishing Ken. Hook City TV. Yep.
Big old hummingbird. That's a 12, huh?
Yeah, look like it. Let's see. All that work is he gonna go to the house? He's a keeper. Somebody say this don't make no sense.
But we gotta move.
All right, guys. Hey.
My neck, my back,
my neck
and my back.
my neck. Hey, guys. Listen. These fish are whooping us. I done been to work all night. I came out here with this crazy Cajun, and he told me it was gonna get crazy, but I thought he meant like, you know, like mean or something. I don't know.
You thought I was crazy?
Yeah, I thought he was talking about like he's a little bit crazy. So you know, you got to edit the video out. I didn't know he was talking about these crappie. We're gonna be in here. I mean, hammer down, man. These, listen. Whew. It's rough. Okay, listen, the man said show him the box. Listen, make him stop. Make him stop. Oh my God, I mean, crappie soup. Y'all like crappie soup? Let me see if I can do this without getting finned. Y'all like crappie soup? They're feisty. They mean, guys. I wish I had some better light. But just believe me when I tell you, they're mean. Okay, and ultra aggressive. Nah, but seriously though, guys, for real, I'm being for real this time. These crappie, we were not in a rush. Dane wanted to show me some of the creek. We looked at a lot of the creek, looked at a lot of fish. One thing I can tell you, man, before you just start fishing, scan, look, get an idea of what's going on. Once you get an idea of what's going on, you can come up with a game plan. Then you can start catching your fish, man. These fish out here in Texas, I think we've skipped past the winter. I mean, the fall. We've skipped past
absolutely.
fall. Fall is gone. Just call it over with. Due to all the rain, and then we keep getting these northern cold fronts coming in, this north wind coming in, and it's just cooling the water off really fast. We were at 40 something this morning. I think we're at 51 degrees right now. And these fish, man, this sun has came up, and that was just a dinner bell for these fish. These fish are just pounding these baits, guys. Make sure.
We went from 15 to almost 50 in about 45 minutes.
15 to 50 in 45 minutes.
Pretty much.
Just about. Hey, guys, we're sitting at 45.
Yeah.
45. 46. We're at 46. Guys, we're at 46. We need 4 to close out. Out here having a good time with Dane, man. I want to tell you appreciate it before we go any further, man.
Had a good time.
We're gonna get him out on Arlington or somewhere one day on Big Hawk. So
you sure Arlington's ready?
Oh man,
I'm ready.
I'm gonna have to show him what that donkey feel like when you get him on the line at Arlington. I'm gonna show him some hee-haws, y'all. But hey, we got a couple more minutes of this, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. I just wanted to give y'all an update what we're doing. We're using a 1/8 ounce jig, 16th ounce jigs. It really isn't mattering. Color doesn't matter. We've went from light colored jigs, dark colored jigs. We've done it all. And these crappie are just hammering baits. They're ready to eat. They're ready to
doubles
go.
And triples.
Catching doubles, triples. They're coming up screaming and mean mugging and throwing punches and splashing water. Look, I'm not making this up, man. Look at the water. Look at the water in the boat. Look at this. I can't make this up, y'all. It's not a game. That's live from. I think these are projects.
We had all them boats looking over at us.
Hey man, we had pot liquors and fish flapping, and I mean we just had a good time, guys.
Too much attention.
Yeah, there's a lot of attention being drawn, and I ain't talking about with number 2 pencils. Hey, sit back, man. Let's finish this thing out. I have to get rid of a couple little ones, and then the big ones will follow. Oh, here you go. That's a better one. Pick your head up. Oh, he was smelling it. Hold on. Let me see that hook set. Tell him quit smelling that bait.
Hey, don't mess with me, though. I don't matter. You touch it, I'm going to stick it.
Yeah, I hear you.
Touch it, I'm going to stick it.
That's another one.
Get down in there with your buddies.
Get on in there. We've got 3 to go. Store closing in 3 minutes. The flavor on.
I just like that.
Are you at the bottom again?
I'm getting there. What I'm doing, I'm not going to the bottom. I'm going from the top to the bottom.
Okay. You're going down there slowly. Where that bleeding shad at? I'm going to go ahead and try.
Bag, look for the bag, you'll see the bleeding shiny Ziploc.
It's in a Ziploc bag? So you got them. Oh, okay. I think you left them out. You got no? Oh, stop it now.
Kind of in the middle of that bag.
I got it.
I just have them all organized by what they are.
I got you. I'm on. That's one more keeper, right? Oh, yeah. It's another keep fish.
I finally got on the damn cover, man. All these,
well, you need. I saw that last stump, though. Oh, come on now. Let me out of there. Yeah, I found it all right.
There you go.
Keep your head up. That's a tennis shoe.
You know what I'm saying?
I think it is, anyway.
Give it a bump and feel the thump.
Give it a bump, feel the thump. Bump, bump, thump, thump. You know the routine. Ugh, almost fell. Plenty of money. Come on. That's a good fish. Oh yeah. Mr. Dane?
Is that the mini?
No, we got one more.
Guess we off one. We'll have to count.
Yeah, we better count. I'm telling you, that old boy got the game, wasn't waiting for us. He didn't appreciate that onslaught.
He had that old, yeah, you know, booty hurt. That one I was swimming like this.
Mm-hmm. Like that. That's another nice one, ain't it? Oh, yeah. God, dog. You need to start culling. Let go of some of them 10.
No, I'll let you fish for a second. I'm gonna count. I'm gonna pop them in a cooler.
Okay.
Count them.
Yes, sir. All right, it's recording. Hey, it's gonna keep recording, Dane.
That's what.
Beluga. I'm gonna throw him back even if he is 10.
You need water?
Man, you know what? I'll take one, buddy. If you got one. All right, guys, we got to do a little bit of counting. We're gonna let Dane do the honors.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, look at that.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 down.
25.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'm coming. I'm doing some testing for Billy now. I got some Billy testing to do.
Gobble, there you go. that's hey, this creek's a lot clearer than it's been in other years. When that sun gets up.
Oh boy, that's a goddamn herd of them.
Yeah, they're all in there. They're gonna bite you.
Was that when you went forward or backwards?
Most of that shit's over here. There it is, right here.
Good one?
I think so.
Yeah. Get your head up. Look, that's a fat 10. Nah, not yet. Let me get one for the tail. Ain't no fun if Dommy don't have it.
Slap my tongue out. There you go.
There you is. Lift your head up. Oh yeah. Get you some of that. Get you some of that, Billy Morgan.
You stop playing with them.
Get you some of that, Billy Morgan. I knew it. I mean, they're just stacked up in there.
Got him.
Lift your head up. Top jig. Come on, Billy Morgan. That's a 10.
60.
60.
Turn the boat a good little. Oh, double time.
Double time. Oh, that's a keeper. 61. 62.
I'm gonna tell them to come over here.
Yeah, they can.
Hey, y'all come over here. There's a big old school of them, and I don't need them. But there's a bunch of them over here. Pretty much, yeah, about where you're at. Should be anywhere between us.
$63. Ridiculous.
Yeah, we're throwing, but we caught it.
Seriously.
We'll follow you. We're Sam here and I'm Ziggy.
All right, good to meet y'all, man. Look at here. That's stupid, man. All right, y'all, it ain't no need to say no more, man. Y'all seen exactly what happened. I can't make it up, man. Dane Myers. Hey, man, if they want to get on some of these Louisville slabs, you got openings, right?
Oh yeah, we can make it happen. 940-600-7582. Give me a call. We'll go lay some lead.
Lay some lead. Hey, and don't forget, man, if you're on Facebook, make sure you get on Crappie Fishing Fools. Dane is an admin as well as myself. We run a clean page with a few other great guys that help us keep the page clean. Hey man, y'all come out and get y'all some of these crappie. It's your boy Fishing Ken. Y'all know what time it is. I'm out here.